Data products and data marketplace are obviously hugely popular with a lot of customers. The way to kind of like understand the difference and how they work together is the product is the what, and the marketplace is like the how. You build a product, you publish it into the marketplace, the consumer goes to the marketplace, searches for the product, finds it, and requests access to it. That's how these two work hand in hand. So the marketplace being the mechanism for publishing and requesting products, and the product being kind of like the container for the value associated with certain data.
What we want is consumers to be able to have near instantaneous access to data. Data access is the key. They want to be able to use that data and make quick decisions on that data. And therefore, we have to enable data stewards with the domain knowledge as well as the technical proficiency to make decisions on who can access what data in near real time.
For a lot of the corporations, mainly on the larger side, they're trying to implement these data mesh, data fabric, data marketplace concepts. Challenge with doing something like that is the level of scale and the speed you need to move to be able to accomplish something like that. You really need something they can federate the building of access controls across their platforms. That's really where Immuta comes into play at. There's very few technologies out there that allows technologists and business teams to be able to use the platform and write access controls by themselves.
Customers like Roche and Thomson Reuters and JP Morgan come to mind, and they assign data product managers to those, and they can act as conduits between data governance and stewards. And that's a very effective means when you have very complicated, highly regulated use cases. You can imagine failure to go through an FDA sequence is costly billions of dollars. In a bank like a JP Morgan, if you fail to meet rollouts of a new product coming to market, it could be billions of dollars to your top line and loss. The great user experience is it all starts with the consumer. And what they just want to do is one really simple thing. I want to click a button. The next step is, well, what do we need from a mechanical Turk underneath the covers to make that happen? Underneath the covers of this nearly instantaneous access to data, it's good governance, good stewardship, and good security together makes it really easy to access data fast.